Welcome to Real English Talk, where you learn real, natural English for real-life conversations.
Today, I want to talk to you about something very simple, but very important. Sometimes English feels difficult, not because the grammar is hard, not because the vocabulary is too advanced, but because we don't know what to say. Someone smiles at you and asks a very simple question, "What did you do today?" And suddenly, your mind feels empty. You know English. You have studied before. You understand the words, but your thoughts feel unorganized, and the sentences don't come out naturally. If you have ever felt this way, I want you to know something. You are not alone. Many learners experience the same feeling, and the good news is this problem can be fixed. In this lesson, we are not going to focus on difficult grammar rules or complicated sentence structures. Instead, we are going to practice daily life English, the kind of English people actually use in real conversations. Simple, clear, natural. To help you understand, I want to share a small story with you. Not a dramatic story, not a special story, just a real day. My name is Mia, and today I want to tell you about my daily routine. I usually wake up early in the morning, around 6 o'clock. When my alarm rings, the first thing I do is turn it off. Sometimes I feel very sleepy, so I stay in bed for a few minutes and stretch my arms and legs. This small habit helps my body wake up slowly and prepares me for the day. After that, I get out of bed and walk to the bathroom to take a shower. The warm water helps me feel fresh and relaxed. After my shower, I dry myself with a towel and get dressed. I usually choose comfortable clothes. I like clothes that feel light and easy to wear. Then, I go to the kitchen and make breakfast. I don't need anything fancy. Most days, I eat something simple, like bread and eggs, or oatmeal with fruit. And I always drink a cup of tea. Breakfast is a quiet moment for me. It helps me slow down and prepare mentally for the day ahead. While I eat breakfast, I often check my phone. Sometimes I read the news. Other times, I reply to messages or look at today's schedule. After breakfast, I wash the dishes and tidy up the kitchen. I like starting my day with a clean space. It helps me feel calm and organized. Then, I brush my teeth and get ready to leave the house. Around 7:30, I step outside and start my day. On most days, I take the bus to work. The ride usually takes about 30 minutes. During the ride, I sometimes listen to music. Other times, I just look out the window and watch the city wake up. I arrive at work at 8 o'clock and start working right away. In the morning, I usually work on my computer. I answer emails, prepare lessons, and focus on my tasks. Around 12 o'clock, I take a lunch break. I usually eat with my colleagues. We talk, laugh a little, and relax.
Lunch is not just about food. It's also a time to rest and recharge before the afternoon. After lunch, I go back to work and continue until 5 o'clock. By the end of the day, I feel tired but also satisfied, knowing I did my best. When I finish work, I go back home, usually by bus again. If the weather is nice, sometimes I walk home instead. Walking helps me relax and clear my mind. When I get home, I slow down. I sit on the sofa, take a deep breath, and rest for a while. In the evening, I cook dinner for myself. After that, I enjoy my free time. Before going to bed, I brush my teeth and get ready to sleep. I usually go to bed around 10 or 10:30, and that's my day. Not exciting, not perfect, but real. English is not about being perfect. It's about being understood. Practice a little every day. Talk about your real life, your real routine, your real story. I'll see you in the next lesson. Before you go, don't forget to practice. Write a short comment below about your daily routine today. It doesn't have to be perfect. Simple English is more than enough. Try to talk about real things in your life. What do you do in the morning? How do you spend your day? What do you usually do in the evening? You can start with simple sentences like, in the morning, I usually, or after work, I like to. Remember, English grows with practice, not with pressure. Be patient with yourself and enjoy the process. If this lesson helps you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the next lesson. See you next time!